In the business report, Mayberry Jamaican Equities Limited has opened applications for a new $1.5 billion secured bond, offering investors a fixed 9.50% per annum return over a 36-month tenor. The bond pays a fixed rate for the entire term with no reset and no repricing over the life of the instrument. Investors can enter the offer with as little as 20,000 Jamaican dollars in increments of 10,000 thereafter, well below the amount typically required for direct bond purchases. The bond is secured by a charge over a basket of MJE's JSE listed shares held by JCSD Trustee Services Limited as security trustee. At 9.50% per annum, every 100,000 Jamaican dollars invested is scheduled to pay $2,375 in interest every quarter, $9,500 over a year, and $28,500 across the full 36-month term. The principal due at maturity. Application opened on Monday, August 24, 2026, and the offer is scheduled to close at 4:30 p.m. on Thursday, September 10, 2026, subject to the company's right to shorten or extend the subscription period as set out in the prospectus. Denise Williams brings us an update on the financial market movements.
For the trading period of August 27, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Deramon Trading Company Limited with 10,053,467 units, representing 20.59% of market sales. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 9,879,356 units, representing 20.24% of market sales. Stanley Motor Limited Ordinary Shares with 5,901,302 units, representing 12.09% of market sales. Investor activity remained concentrated in distribution and transportation plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for August 27, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $159.25 and buying at $157.41. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 49-cent transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $115.74 and was bought for $113.96. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $2.30 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $215.28 and was bought for $213.67. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, your career upgrade could be showing on your credit report. We readily understand financing a car. We understand financing a house, but we're still learning how to finance ourselves, yeah? So today you can buy a business course, professional certification, coaching program, or executive training over 6 weeks, 12 months, 24 months, or even 36 months. Some programs offer interest-free payment plans, others require education or personal loans with interest. If you're going to commit 24 or 36 months of payments to build your professional career, you should be thinking about the 24 or 36 months of economic opportunity you're expecting in return in your career. Professional development can absolutely be worth borrowing for, but don't evaluate the decision based only on can you afford, let's say, $400 a month. Evaluate it based on what will this $400 a month help me to become capable of earning. Because the smartest professional development debt isn't debt taken simply to learn more. It's debt taken with a clear plan to become more valuable in the marketplace. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.